Hello children, let's continue our third chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 30. Today we discuss about simmering. Simmering is cooking food in water that is just below the boiling point. Children, boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. So below 100 degree Celsius. Such foods as eggs and meats should be simmered rather than boiled. Slow cookers are electric appliances that simmer foods at low temperatures for 4 to 12 hours. The food and some water is placed in a slow cooker and the temperature is set. Here electric appliances means children, we can use induction. Nowadays we use induction. Then comes to steaming. Steaming is cooking food in steam. It is used mostly to cook vegetables. To steam vegetables, place them on a rack or perforated pan in a saucepan and add water to the saucepan. The water collects below the rack or perforated pan and the vegetables remain above and out of the liquid. Cover the saucepan and heat it on a burner until the water boils. The foam steam which surrounds and cooks the vegetables. Steaming takes longer than boiling. However, steamed vegetables retain better color and flavor than boiled. Then vegetables do. They also have more nutrients because certain vitamins including vitamin C dissolve easily in water and may be removed by boiling. Then other methods. Some food that require a long time to cook, such as dried beans, may be prepared more quickly in a pressure saucepan. This utensil cooks food at high temperatures by means of steam under pressure. Pressure saucepans are also called pressure cookers. Children, already you know what is pressure cookers. Another fast method of cooking uses microwaves. Microwave ovens heat small amounts of food much faster than gas or electric ovens or cooktops do. Microwave ovens are especially useful for thawing frozen foods and heating soups, vegetables and leftover. So thawing means children what? To make something become soft or liquid again after freezing. Then care of raw food. First point, wash fruits and vegetables in clean water and then cut them. If vegetables are washed after cutting, their vitamins and minerals are lost. Wash fruits and vegetables in clean water before peeling the skin. If vegetables are washed after peeling the skin, their vitamins are lost. only fresh vegetables and fruits. Some fruits are overripe and rotten. Rotten food substances must be thrown away. Cut fruits and vegetables and eat them immediately. Do not eat uncovered food. So children, when you eat any fruits or vegetables, you follow and remind these rules. Okay, then you eat. So children, whatever I taught, again you read and learn the difficult words. Thank you children. Have a nice day.